Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make quotes video on CapCut for your Instagram Reels. Okay, here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone, and first of all, we can import our video that we want to make it as quotes video for Instagram Reels. We can tap on new project right here and we can import our video. But if you don't have any video to be edited, you can use the stock videos on CapCut right here. You can choose a lot of videos right here, and I'm just going to upload my video from my device. I'm going to add this video. Okay, and after that we can click on add to import the video to our CapCut project. And for Instagram Reels, I suggest you to choose to change the aspect ratio. We can tap on the aspect ratio and make sure that you select this ratio, this 9:16 ratio. This is the suitable ratio for Instagram Reels. Okay, and after that we can put the quotes. We can click on tags and click on add tags. And for example, I'm going to add this quotes. Okay, and after we're done, we just need to click on this check mark button. But if you want to change the font, you just need to click on the font right here, and I'm going to change it. I'm going to use for example, this one. You can also change the color and put effect to your tags, but I'm just going to use this one. So we can tap on this check mark button and I'm going to adjust the tags. Okay, and to make our video or quotes video more engaging, we can add music. We can click on the audio and tap on these sounds, and you can use audio from CapCut, or you can also import audio from your device. And I'm gonna go with CapCut audio. I'm going to choose the healing category, and I'm going to select this music. Okay, and here is the final result. I'm going to play the video to take a look at the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create quotes video on CapCut for Instagram Reel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.